Hey everyone, is T-Mobile 5G home internet worth it? Here's the real deal speed, test, pros, cons, and everything you need to know. T-Mobile 5G home internet is an affordable, easy to use service with no contracts or data limits, great for everyday internet needs. Speeds vary but are usually good enough for streaming, browsing, and casual gaming. It has a wide coverage and positive customer reviews. Through speed can slow during busy times. T-Mobile 5G Home Internet Review. T-Mobile 5G Home Internet offers a wireless, contract-free broadband solutions with a flat rate pricing, no data caps, and simple self-setup. It is available across much of the US, making it one of the most widely accessible fixed wireless option. Pros: affordable, transparent pricing. Plans range from $50 to $70 per month, often discounted to $35 to $55 with mobile bundling. Taxes and fees are included and there are no hidden costs or contracts. No data caps, unlimited data usage with a no throttling or overage fees. Easy wireless setup. Plug and play gateway device, no technician visit required. Good for multiple devices, support several devices for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Strong customer satisfaction ranked first among non fiber ISPs in the 2024 American Customer Satisfaction Index. Improved performance. Many long term users report better speed and reliability over time as T Mobile upgrades its network. Cons: variable speeds. Download speed typically range from 72 to 245 Mbps but can fluctuate depending on your local 5G coverage and network congestion. Upload speed average around 15 Mbps. Speed may drop during peak usage times or in areas with a heavy network demand. Pros: live TV streaming issues. Dynamic IP addresses can cause problems with servers that require IP authorization, such as some live TV streaming platform. Weather and signal sensitivity. Like all wireless services, performances can be affected by severe weather or poor indoor signals. Speed test result. Most users report average download speed above 100 Mbps, with many seeing consistent result over 200 Mbps and occasional peaks over 400 Mbps, depending on signal strength. Upload speeds are generally sufficient for video calls, remote walks, and gaming. Average ping around 18 ms but may not match fiber or a cable for heavy upload needs. User experience. Unbox a T-Mobile gateway. The SIM card is already inserted. Place the gateway near a window and a power outlet, ideally on a upper floor for the best signal. Plug in the gateway's power adapter and connect it to a grounded electrical outlet. Wait for the device to power on and display the T-Mobile logo. Download the T-Mobile Internet or T-Life app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Open the app and scan the QR code on the bottom or back of your gateway to start setup. Follow the app's instructions to find the best placement and complete the setup, including changing your Wi Fi name and password if desired. Stable for everyday use, including gaming and video conferencing. Some users note minor slowdowns during peak hours, but most find the service reliable. Generally positive feedback with responsive support and clear guidance. Is it worth it? T-Mobile 5G home internet is an excellent value for a small to medium household, caught clutters, and those in areas underserved by cable or fiber. It's especially compelling if you already have a good T-Mobile 5G phone coverage at home. While it may not deliver the top end speed of fiber, its simplicity, price, and flexibility make it strong alternative or traditional IPs for most users. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.